There they are.
The following is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to put it back on that other one. That other